Welcome to Express English Language Training Centre, Dubai's #1 chain of English training centres. Fun interactive lessons, qualified British and American teachers, and friendly staff make Express the best place for improving your English. You can choose from a range of part-time or full-time courses, focusing on spoken English, business English, email writing, Arabic, and many more. We are experts at helping students prepare for popular exams, such as IELTS, PTE, OET, and CELPIP, and are an official test venue for the IELTS exam. Our team of highly qualified IELTS instructors and examiners are ready to help you get a top score first time. Our expert tutors are ready to help your children to speak, read, and write English like natives, with British or American accent coaching, phonics, reading and writing lessons, all tailored to your child's needs. With 3 stunning locations, home-based lessons and online options, we are a perfect fit, even if you don't have time to travel. Our Media City Institute is right next to the Palm Jumeirah tram station, which is 3 stops from Shobha Realty Metro, and directly connected to the marina by tram and the Palm by monorail. With plenty of parking, it is perfect for residents of the Palm, Marina, JLT or Barsha. Our original Business Bay location is known for its stunning views of the Burj Khalifa and spacious, well-equipped classrooms. The Port Said School is also perfectly located, 25 metres from Deira City Centre Mall metro station. Here you'll find spacious classrooms and some of our friendliest teachers and staff. All in all, we're the best place to improve your English. Check the reviews to see what our students say or book a free consultation with one of our British or American teachers. Our staff will be happy to welcome you with a coffee and explain our amazing full and part-time special offers. So why not give us a call or visit us and find out for yourself today?